Ever since Canadian hedge fund manager Eric Jackson made a bull case online, Opendoor's stock surged and plunged, with it recently regaining listing compliance by consistently closing over $1. Let's take a look at possible influences to look out for in the future. The company is making a strategic shift to a distributed platform with multiple offerings, showing early success in pilot markets. Initiatives like Cash Plus are designed to provide better risk-adjusted products and align incentives with customers. Opendoor launched an agent iOS app to enhance agent capabilities and improve customer connections. However, the housing market has deteriorated due to high mortgage rates suppressing buyer demand, leading to lower acquisition and resale volumes. Contribution profit and margin have decreased compared to the previous year. The company's guidance for Q3 indicates a decline in revenue and contribution margin, reflecting ongoing macroeconomic challenges. Opendoor's CFO Selim Freha said macro conditions seem stable currently, though below early Q2 levels, and the outlook assumes this stability continues. CEO Carrie Wheeler noted the impact of new initiatives like working with agents will show in conversion and contracts before affecting the P&L, with real effects expected in 2026. Cash Plus is expected to be in all markets next quarter and allows Opendoor to deliver within its target contribution margin range with better risk adjustment. Opendoor reported financial results for the second quarter ended June 30, 2025. The company achieved revenue of $1.6 billion, up 4% versus Q2 2024 and up 36% versus Q1 2025. Gross profit was $128 million, with a gross margin of 8.2%. Net loss was $29 million, compared to $92 million in Q2 2024 and $85 million in Q1 2025. Opendoor achieved its first quarter of adjusted EBITDA profitability since 2022, with adjusted EBITDA of $23 million. Contribution profit was $69 million, with a contribution margin of 4.4%. The company purchased 1,757 homes in Q2 2025, down 63% versus Q2 2024. Inventory balance was $1.5 billion, representing 4,538 homes. For Q3 2025, Opendoor guides revenue of $800 million to $875 million, contribution profit of $22 million to $29 million, and adjusted EBITDA of negative $28 million to negative $21 million. As Opendoor keeps repositioning itself from a company known for flipping suburban homes to one offering homeowners various ways to sell, its expanded efforts bring real estate agents into its process. Wheeler sees a, quote, huge opportunity for Opendoor as it tries to change home selling.